To create a U.S. bank account, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, choose a bank that meets your needs. Considering factors such as fees, interest rates, and services offered, you can do this by researching online or visiting banks in person. Next, gather the necessary documents, which typically include a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and a social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. If you are not a U.S. citizen, you may need to provide additional documentation, such as a visa or proof of residency. Once you have chosen a bank and gathered your documents, you can apply for an account online, by phone, or in person. If you apply online or by phone, you will typically need to provide your personal and identification information, and fund your account with an initial deposit. If you apply in person, you will need to bring your documents with you to the bank, where a bank representative will guide you through the application process. You will need to sign an account agreement and provide your identification and contact information. After your account is open, you will receive a debit card and checks. If you have chosen to receive them, you can then fund your account, set up direct deposit, and take advantage of other bank services, such as online banking and mobile deposit. It is also important to understand the different types of bank accounts available, such as checking and savings accounts, and to choose the one that best meets your needs. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with your account, such as monthly maintenance fees or overdraft fees, and take steps to avoid them. By following these steps and doing your research, you can create a U.S. bank account that meets your financial needs and helps you manage your money effectively.